Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. This is the Lego City grocery store. As soon as I saw this, I loved it. I wanted another grocery store for my city. Love the colours. You get a road plate included. It is $100 here in Australia at the Lego store. That equates to 25 cents per piece, which is ridiculously expensive. But I thought I'd give it a go. I bought it in Kmart for $79. So let's see what we get. And oh my goodness, my sticker sheet is stuck to my instructions. Oh man, hang on, I've got to be very careful pulling this off. There we are, at least it didn't damage them. And I like that sticker, be happy. And we get 2 instruction books in this set. That set looks pretty good. I like that grocery store look. And we get, only 4 bags come in this. And this bag with base plates. So, let's build. Bag 1, and we get 2 cars to do in this bag. And what's inside this thing? In this little box? Oh, we get like a little rubber band and some hair. Okay, let's start with this lady. She's the forklift driver. Love that high-vis top she is wearing. That torso is awesome. Love that they have included printing at the back. And this is the grocery man, so Mr. Produce. And check out his mustache. I am renaming him Mr. Mustachio. Love the printing on the back. I love that they've included the symbol from the shop on his uniform. Doing a little crate here because I'm putting these big red pumpkin things in. I don't know what they were supposed to be. And let's do this little car. Love the red little car. This reminds me of the old system sets that I used to have as a kid. So just doing the little front bumper there. And it's an electric vehicle. Yes, Lego is going full on electric now. And let's pop these bits on. So we've got 2 windscreens there. No room for shopping though. If I'm going to do a big food shop, I should have had a bigger car. Mr. Mustachio is going to test drive the self-driving car. Off you go. This here's the little orange forklift. And I love the colour choice of this. And this is quite a realistic looking forklift. So we're going to put a little cage on in a sec. And you'll be able to lift the cage up. So open it up to pop your little worker in. Here are the little adjustable forks. So now I've got to pop that rubber band on, and that's to keep it in position at the top. And if you want it to go down, you just remove that little rubber band. And here's that little roll cage. So we clip that on there, and we just need some wheels. Here's the forklift driver. She's going to jump in, pop her in, and off she goes. Bag 2, and we get the rest of the minifigs in this and the orange shopping trolley. Awesome. We get a little girl here, and I love her little hoodie jumper. It is so gorgeous. She has little pigtails, and the printing at the back with the little hoodie is so beautiful. I really like that. Here's her dad. He's wearing a cool retro shirt, smiling so happily with his funky hair. He has a shopping list there. Love it. And the printing at the back, but look at his prosthetic leg. I love that. It is so realistic. So you can stand over there. And now we get the green lady. She is the pea lady. Her outfit matches the shop very nicely. great printing on the back, but now she needs to dress up in her uniform here because she is going to carry this sign, "Be happy." We'll pop that on for you. You look beautiful. You stand over there. But wait, oh no, she's not happy. I have stolen her costume because I want to work at the shop. We've seen this shopping trolley in the Lego Friends supermarket, but in green. And now we are popping some fresh fruit and a baguette in there, and Dad's off. Okay, time to start the shop. I really liked the look of this when I saw it on the box and even online at the Lego store. And I couldn't wait to buy it, so I'm hoping I'm going to love it once I have built it. And we get these 2 double doors, which I love, which have come in those Friends sets. And let's continue on. This here is the little conveyor belt, so the forklift driver drops off the crates through here and slides them through into the shop. I feel it takes up a lot of room personally. I do love this feature of the shop though, the 3 big panelled windows, so it lets lots of light into the shop and makes it look modern. And now we're just popping in this little hinge here for a crate, and we're going to fill it up with lots of bottles. Over here will be 2 little green containers for some croissants and some baguettes, so they sit in the bins there. And now the little cash register. This here is a little fridge because it will be having fish inside. So the fish sit there next to the cash register, and we're on to bag 3. This here is the little flappy curtains that will be near the conveyor belt, so flies and other things don't go inside the shop and they move independently. So that goes there. And let's continue building. At first I thought I was building an ATM, but this in fact is a little recycling bottle station or containers for change station. So we're popping that inside here. So a little recycling station, and now this will have all like milks and juices and sauces and things like that on there. I do like how this is built, but I feel it's just taken up so much room and it could have had a lot more items for sale, I feel. But that's just me because I like lots of foods. So that goes there in the corner. And I'm just finishing up the roof line here. Last bag, bag 4, and we get lots of food in here and the corn piece. I love that corn piece. Okay, continue on with the roof. These little bars here will be for the solar panels later. And I'm just making the sign out the front here. It is a really nice sign. Fresh. It looks fresh with the green colour, and just making the carrot sign because nothing says fresh fruit and veg like a big orange carrot at the front of the shop. So that attaches like that. It's looking nice, and some little lights here at the front. more little hinges here because there will be some more crates at the front for some more food. Oh, hang on, I'm doing bottles. They're the spare bottles for the recycling station. Now I'm popping the crates at the front to have lots of carrots and those corn pieces, which I love. Lots of fruit and veg there. And I'm making this flower stand. I love these pieces and it wants to give me a hug. See, it's like little arms there. Hug me! And now some little flowers for sale. And there's the printed solar panels. And a printed parking sign, now the road plate. So this set came with the road plate. I like that it did, but really, did we really need it? I would have loved to have a bigger grocery store, but let's pop everything in. So Dad's there, the little girl. We've got the self-driving electric car. Oh, lady with the forklifts back. And she's going to do some deliveries and hopefully not crash. Mr. Mustachio's there, the pea lady, and I've come along because I've started working here. And oh, my cat's decided to come too. The little girl's watching the produce being delivered while the father asks to buy a fish. The father's recycling some bottles at the recycling station, and Mr. Mustachio's chasing my cat because he's run off with the fish. The father's trying to load up all those groceries into that teeny tiny car, and my cat has decided to go home with them too. The Lego City grocery store. Love this set, like love the colours, love what's included. You get 2 cars. There could have been a lot more detail inside the shop. The outside looks pretty good. I'm just really disappointed about the price of this set. $100 is just way too expensive. I feel this should have been a $50 set, honestly. So wait for it to be on sale. So everyone, get your bricks out.